Anyone on channel 37 got a copy on Charlie Tango 2369 in Folkestone? Nice one, nice one. What, you in the lorry? You in the lorries? I think I just heard you say lorry driver, so I'm not too sure. I'm new to the CB round here, but my friends are always from the CB.
Yeah, we're drivers. We drive for Brett, you know, the old tippers.
Oh right. Oh, cool, cool. Yeah, it's nice to hear some activity on CB radio around it. Yeah, how's the roads getting on? Because it's a bit it's looking like it's going to rain soon. Where's your actual location in Folkestone on the roads? So I know where my range is. I'm the home base. I'm home based up in the Bell in Folkestone town area.
Alright, I have just come off the A20 by the tunnels. I'm going towards Motorway A20.
Well, that's a long way. I told you I was brand new to the radio. Yeah, nice talking to you. I'm going to let you two get on before you crash.
Keep your eye on it.